What is your job as a Python developer at Gridscale?
I'm responsible to build and maintain Gridscale API. This API mainly responsible to translate the customer request into the real virtual machine in the data center. We have a lot of logic in this API. For example, like checking if the customer allowed to have the virtual machine in which location, something like that.
Since we are collaborating with OVH Cloud, how do you make sure to integrate our systems into the OVH world?
We created another API layer which translating OVH term to Gridscale term and Gridscale term to OVH term. For example, in Gridscale we have like server, and in OVH we have an instance, which an instance is like a server with the storage, with IP, with network, and so on.
What do you like most about working at Gridscale?
There's a lot of intelligent people here. They also bring positive energy that makes working here very enjoyable. And also, there is a lot of room for developing your skill as a developer in here as well.